Hello everyone. In this video we will learn what is HCF and how to find HCF by different methods. Okay, सबसे पहले HCF क्या होता है? The full form of HCF is highest common factor. Means if two numbers are given, so HCF is that number which is a factor of both the number as well as it is highest among the factors. Okay, चलिए एग्जाम्पल से हम समझते हैं what is HCF. Suppose two numbers are given. Let us take two numbers 12 and 18. So what are the factors of 12? Write down all the factors of 12. What are the factors? Factors are those numbers by which 12 is exactly divisible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, these are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then factors of 18. 18 is divisible by 1, 2, 3. After that it is divisible by 6 and then 18. So these are the factors. Now find out their common factors. What are the common factors? Common factors कौन कौन से हो गए? 1 is common factor, 2 is another common factor, 3 is a common factor, 6 is also a common factor. So these are the common factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now see here, out of these four factors, which one is the highest common, highest factor? Which one is the highest factor? 6. 6 is the highest factor, or it is common also. So what is the HCF? 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. Okay. समझ में आया आपको HCF क्या होता है? मीन्स द लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर दैट इज अ कॉमन, द लार्जेस्ट नंबर दैट इज अ कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ बोथ द नंबर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड द HCF. नाउ फर्स्ट मेथड टू फाइंड द HCF इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सपोज टू नंबर्स आर गिवन 16 and let's take 36. 16 and 36, two numbers are given. Let us take one more number. Okay, that is 44. Okay, 16, 36 and 44, three numbers are given and we have to find their HCF. Means we have to find the highest common factor by prime factorization method. So first of all, find out the prime factors. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. After that, find the prime factors of 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. Then find the prime factors of 44, 2, this is 22, 2, 11 and 11, 1. Now write down the factors of prime factors of all the three numbers. Prime factors of 16, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Then 36. Prime factors of 36, 2, 2, 3, 3. 2, 2, 3 and 3. After that the prime factors of 44, 2 multiplied by 2. So these are the prime factors of 16, 36 and 44. Now to find the HCF, HCF find करने की क्या करेंगे? Find out the common factor. Find out the factor that is common in all the three numbers. ऐसा हमें factors find करना है जो तीनों में common हो. See here, this 2. 2 is a common factor. 2 16 का factor भी है, 36 का factor भी है, 44 का भी factor भी है. So write 2. Is there any other factor that is common? Yes. Again 2 is common. 2 is a factor. Now see here, there is 2 but there is no 2. Same here, this is 11. यहाँ पे 11 नहीं है. 3 remains. क्या common थे? Only 2 and 2. आपको क्या करना है? You have to write down the common factor once and then multiply all the common factors. जो भी factors common है, multiply the common factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So the HCF of 16, 36 and 44 is 4. Means 4 is the highest number. 4 is the highest number by which 16, 36 and 44, all the three numbers are exactly divisible. Okay, so this is the meaning of HCF. 4 is the highest number by which 16, 36 and 44, all the three numbers are divisible exactly. This method is known as prime factorization method, because in this method we are finding the prime factors of the number. Next method to find the HCF is division method. Okay, let us understand it with the help of example. Let us take two numbers 18 and 81. 18 and 81 are the two numbers जिनका हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, HCF बाय डिवीजन मेथड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइड द लार्जर नंबर बाय द स्मॉलर नंबर. लार्जर नंबर मीन्स डिवाइड द ग्रेटर नंबर 81 बाय द स्मॉलर वन 18. So now 18 4s are 72, 18 5s are 90, that is greater. So 18 4s are 72. Now subtract it, how much you will get? 9. Okay, after this what you have to get, if you are getting any number except 1 और 0 as remainder, 1 और 0 के अलावा कोई भी नंबर अगर आपका रिमाइंडर आ रहा है, so you have to divide. So by this remainder that is 9, you will divide the divisor of the previous step. मीन्स जिस नंबर से हमने पहले डिवाइड किया था, जो प्रीवियस स्टेप का डिवाइजर था, उस नंबर से हम क्या करेंगे, इसे डिवाइड करेंगे. सो डिवाइड 18 by 9. So 9 2s are 18. Now the remainder is 0. Now the remainder is 0. ये मेथड आपको कब तक करना है, जब तक रिमाइंडर 0 और 1 नहीं आ जाता है. If the remainder is 0, तो जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करने पे रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है, that is your HCF. So the HCF of 18 and 81 is 9. But if you are getting remainder is equals to 1, remainder अगर 1 आ रहा है, in that case the HCF of the number is also equal to 1. When the HCF is 1, when the remainder is equals to 1. जब remainder 1 आएगा, then the HCF is also equal to 1. Okay, समझ में आया? Can you give me an example in which the remainder you will get 1? Okay, see here, in place of 81, suppose the number is 91. Okay, I am changing here. In place of 81, suppose the number is 91. इस केस में क्वेश्चन रिमाइंडर क्या आया था, HCF 9. Now see here, 91 divided by 18. So 18 5s are 90. Remainder is 1. Directly you are getting the remainder 1. So since the remainder is equals to 1, therefore HCF is also equal to 1. और we can say 18 and 91 का कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है except 1. 18 and 91 में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, only 1 is the common factor. Okay, such type of numbers in which the common factor is only 1, that are known as co-prime numbers. Okay, so this is the division method to find the